welcome back to my YouTube channel. My Ogbonge people, today matter, it shocktalize our many of our girls wey dey this social media. We no want use their eye to see our Edo out of them. E.g., they know yourself, you understand? When I say this, our brother Jeffrey we just married, so man, I congratulate him first. I am so happy for him. Congratulations, my brother Jeffrey. Congratulations to you, because many eye now will come up for your body. You know, say many girls eye be not do your body, you understand? But I am so happy for you. Say today, you finally break record, like seriously. You break calm. You break the record. Say, I beg. I want marry. Oh. I am so happy for you because many of our guests for social media, they be want to use their evil eye to remove you for Nigeria. Thank God, say you know for VT that time. All those dirty bakers them. Thank God, say you know for their trap. Today now, our brother Jeffrey is a full married man there. Married man, whether they say married man, he put money, he paid the bride price. So I go to upload the picture because I don't see the video. Whether they don't see video, I don't know. But I go to put the picture. But I just want to congratulate this our brother, because many of our girls be want to use their man say whether they are G-string or their eye, now they want to remove our brother Jeffrey. I not can understand. But today, our brother is married to a beautiful and gorgeous wife. I am so happy for him. Congratulations. That's how it's supposed to be. If man reach to marry, you marry. You understand? Not be just the friend, they go. Now see the way this our brother now just they say, now you this girl, now you. If not be you, nobody. Now you take quick stuff, you carry and enter house. So you understand. So that's what it's supposed to be. Not be guy go just come they do say it too fine, no, it too cute. So not say this our brother is fine, and all women's dreams. But thank God now say in the quick enter house. So because if not, many of our girls, so therefore they use our brother, they use them. But today our brother say no need that kind of life. Now a quick enter house. I say no, I must enter house, so I don't need any play. You know, want to do play. Now a quick enter house. You understand? Oh, we can't wait for now. Our sister Precious and the fiancé. Now the two of them now more balanced. Now the two of them I can still remain now. I don't say very soon they are all going to still happen. You understand? So my Ogbonge people, I am so happy for you. My brother, I am so happy for you. Congratulations once more. I wish you every good things where you wish yourself for this marriage. And God, as soon as marriage, so no evil eye go before the marriage. No smelly bekos then go before your marriage. This your marriage where you marry so money, every good things where they see for this world. Pikin, everything God go use and take shower una. You understand? God go shower una with everything. Every good things where they this world. God go bless una marriage. God go that's it. The una marriage go be talk of the town. Una marriage go be the best. Break home not go ever come down una marriage. All those breaking home then. All those guests where be say they are eye they fall for fine man body. You know go reach your body with Jeffrey. Now let your wife. Your John Thomas now for only your wife. Your wife Bekos now for only you. No evil eye go before that una marriage. I wish una every good things we una wish una self. You understand? So my Ogbonge people, I go cut the video for here because I don't want to make the video too long. I just want to wish our brother congratulations. So more help me congratulate him for comment section and wish him long life and prosperity. Every good thing. Na ye marriage. So ya wiyan. Omo iho egberame. Utove. So ye eniyan. Eto ne wiwa ya egbe. Eto no fwa ewa ya moyo to. It was supposed to know Hena when ye do ya timana. I understand. So it also supposed to know why because a brother man, a brother Jeffrey. I have equal now when I say waro understand the him because in the eka social media was so ba but to say when say we a brother Jeffrey nia or do marry so I many I will not tell egbe nia e yaga ilayo egbere wa understand it. So o see e na wa gogo kakabo we o say when say or do marry so many I will not tell egbe nia e yaga ilayo egbere. So my darling people, take
Orí sonoro